what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to this channel, please smash that like button. Please hit that subscribe button. It means a lot. Turn that post notification bell on as well. Today we are going to be doing a point of view in the 335i. Obviously I have new tires on the car. I got 275s in the back, so they should hook up a little better. I haven't done a video. I haven't done a video in a little while of the point of view driving of the BMW, and I know you guys have been liking that video a lot. So I'm gonna do that again for you guys. I'm on an E40 mixture, stage 2+ map. So yeah, we should be good to go. I'm gonna let this baby warm up and we'll get back to you when we get back in Mexico. Alright, yo, what is up, guys? Made it into the car on the way to Mexico. Hopefully if I leave the windows a little cracked, you guys won't be too blown away, but it sounds nice to hear the stuff spool up, so I might as well just leave it open a little bit. I'm gonna close it for the pulls though for you guys. Let me just get this camera angle adjusted properly. Alright, that's straight. So yeah, we're gonna be going later today. I'm gonna make another video. Probably gonna get heading to do some test hits with my boy's RS3 that runs 9s in the quarter. So his shit's fucking fast, upgraded turbos, everything, so should be sick to see that. So I'm just trying to, the reason I'm doing this right now is because I know how much you guys liked the other point of view video, so I figured I'd do another one. But what's it called? Yeah, so we're heading out to Mexico right now. I'm gonna give you some rips. As you guys can hear, that's my fenders. I still haven't gotten them rolled. Here, let me close these. I still haven't got my fenders rolled, so it's rubbing a little bit, especially when I accelerate. So you guys might hear that a couple times, and that's what that is. It's nothing major. I just want to let you guys know that my shit is rubbing, so that's what's making that noise. I am gonna get them rolled soon. I've just been saving up a little bit of money because I dropped so much money. Ooh, i8 Roadster. Yeah, because I dropped so much money like instantly on this car when I got it. Like you guys know, I still have paper tags, so it's like, since I dropped so much in the beginning, like I'm just trying to wait a little because I'm getting the side markers. I'm gonna show you guys the car right now. I have the diffuser in my basement, the carbon fiber diffuser, not diffuser, sorry, splitter. Carbon fiber splitter in my basement, but yeah, I have I'm blacking out everything. I'm getting the window tints done and trim done and everything like that, so at least you guys won't have to wait too long. In my opinion, that yellow side marker is so freaking ugly on the black car, but yeah, the car is coming along really nicely, and I hope you guys are enjoying the build. Like I said previously, probably early next year I'm gonna go single turbo on this car, just for the fact that I'm trying to save up for a Z06. I really want one super bad, so I think I'm gonna get a Z06 and sell the Camaro. Yeah, catch you guys out when we get to a little less crowded part of Mexico so I can do some pulls for you guys. That i8 Roadster is sick as fuck, man. Alright, here you guys go. Holy shit. This thing rips! Oh my gosh, guys, those turbos are crazy. I cannot wait till I, what's it called, get other stuff put onto it. Because I still need a fuel pump, I still need injectors. The factory gave me these bullshit ass, like, I don't even know what index. I think I have like index 9s or something, or index 6s, and I need index 12s. So I was like, what the fuck? So that's sitting in my rear also. That's why I'm also saving money, because I just spent $1,400 on those. The BMW really make stuff expensive for the smallest freaking parts, and then like, because I can't complain because the Camaro is super freaking expensive, like for parts wise. For full bolt-ons on the Camaro, it was like 5 bands. For this car, it's only been like 2, but How are they about to charge $1,500 for freaking Index 12s? Like, what? That's fucked up. Especially since they had a recall on the car previously. Like, it's their fault that they gave shitty shitty injectors to begin with. So like, how are they about to do us dirty and make us pay fucking $1,400 since the recall's not alive anymore or whatever? Like, I just got this car, you know what I mean? So BMW is pretty whack for that. There'll also be a lot more videos for you guys coming shortly of my buddy's new car. I know you guys saw it. It's the white one on the channel. If you haven't watched that video, go check it out. He just got a brand new BMW 335. It's completely stock. He's actually a brand new driver, so it'll probably be stock for a little while. I kind of want him to get the feel of the car before we turn it up for him, because this car right now is way too fucking fast for a kid like that. So yeah, he definitely needs to learn the way of the road, I guess is what some people would say, and then once he gets used to driving it consistently, because honestly a 300 horsepower crank horsepower car is pretty freaking quick for a kid that's just learning how to drive or just starting to drive. He's been driving for less than a year, so it's like definitely not a good idea to crank up the boost for him. Back this up like that. If you guys are thinking about getting one, a 335, I highly recommend it. For this total build, I'm probably gonna be paying like $14,000, and for $14,000, this shit's a steal, man. It's faster than my Camaro as of right now. Oh yeah, man. And like I said, I do have I don't have radials on here, but I got 275, what's it called? I have 275 performance tires on the back, so like they should be hooking decently well, and they just aren't. So like that's how you know this thing's making some serious freaking power, which is awesome, but pretty wild. I'm gonna get some shots of the car for you really quickly, and then we'll catch you back out in Mexico when we go out a little later with my boys for some sick racing clips, probably, depending on if anyone's racing for money. The Hellcat is a little bit, I think his wheels are messed up, his radials, or his slicks, so we'll see what's going on with that. But I think he might have a race for $1,000 pot. We'll see what's going on. I'll catch you guys back in a sec.